What up, everybody? Good morning. So, I do have a sore throat, but we are still here. Might not be as talkative today, but we are still going to get it done. Good morning. Let's see. What's up, Ronnie, John, BBM, Don, Alex? Good morning. All right. How's everybody doing this morning? Again, for the ones that are just tapping in, I woke up with a sore throat, but we are still here. We're going to get it done today. We're going to catch a nice trade. If you guys could, make sure to hit that like button as well. Take 2 seconds and hit that like button. Let's get it. What happened yesterday? Just really focusing on A+ setups and going back and back testing and figuring out what you did wrong. So literally go into today's session with the intention that you're only going to take one trade and it's going to be an A+++ trade. Yeah, I did see people talking about GME. What's up with that? Oh, it had a pop and then literally gave back all of its gains. Nice. Let's pull a SPY. Yeah, I mean, we're at a really weird place in the market, but we do have a really nice bounce that I'm waiting for, which is it's like 596.30 down to 594.8. Ideally watching the very beginning of that zone, but yeah, that's really the only area I have a bounce right now. What we got? We got 7 minutes as far as news today. What do we got? Fed speaker at 10, Fed speaker 10:15. Cool. Cool. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, especially if you guys want more live day trading in the future. Takes 2 seconds to hit it. We got 5 minutes.
Say nice push down here, people. Nice push down.
That boy Grizzly in some shorts.
Drink those 500 too. We're gonna be done early.
I appreciate that. Glad you're making money. I gotta keep my phone on ring again today. I got another house that I'm trying to sell. Fingers crossed, should be a quick little 5K payout. Had 2 people that seemed very interested yesterday, so hopefully they hurry up and get into the office and call me and we can close this. Been trying. It's fun, I'll tell you that. Yeah, hold on, I'll be back in a second. All right, let's get it.
Alright, trade safe.
1 minute.
I'm down for it. Yeah, let's do it.
I remember A plus setups only.
Hit my injury. Dog it. Dog it.
All right.
She hit my injury this game. We locked in some sushi money, people. Locked in some sushi money. Sushi yesterday was good. Watch this. It literally is. My stop loss is at 2 point. An injury. Isn't that wild?
The GSI is about to fire.
Say that.
Damn right. Let's see what happens at the 6,000. He won the spread. They're super wide on SPX.
Got any setups?
Watching this 6,000, but the spread is super wide. Like to see the bid get back up above it.
Let's know if he takes some big shots on me.
Deal. Other than that, I don't have a zone until 596.30 on SPY.
Yeah, let me know if you rip that, Brandon. Try some.
Likely not until these spreads tighten. These SPY contracts are super cheap today. $83. I had to be trading in the money. Look at how cheap the premiums are today. Nah, don't add him, bro. Let's see it.
What's up, guys? Jaden from Jason. What do you got here? Jason Harris.
Damn.
Bro. You know, Bitcoin's booming, Tesla's booming, Nvidia's booming, all the long-term swings we've been talking about for years and years. It's about to close above,
Yeah, no, we finally got the bid back up above it.
what are you guys watching?
It's a secret.
Yeah, something.
What up? Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias. Guess 6,000 was it, Grizz?
Yes, so.
Why didn't you hit the buy button for me?
Another setup one watching.
So let's see what happens at 600 on SPY. See if we reject it. Nvidia's booming. Could look for a potential pullback there. Again, sorry if I'm talking quieter today. My throat's killing me. Let's see. Yeah, don't focus on the profit. Focus on consistency and getting good at trading. Yes, we will indeed keep these lives going. All you guys gotta do though, remember, is to engage with the live streams. Hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you got bell notifications on, all that good stuff. Only thing I ask from you guys is to engage with all the content I put out. Videos, live streams, all that. And guess what? Out of it, you get more videos, and you get more live streams. You can't go wrong. You guys just gotta do your part. But no, that one with like the 30 something bedrooms, it's gonna take a while to try to sell. I also got this other crazy one. Can't show you guys the address, but I can try to find the house. See if I can find it. Where you at?
Actually become pre-market when we made like 702. Yoga, bro.
Mm, I can't find it. I'm gonna have to look for it later. Oh wait, found it. Can't show you the address, so I'm making sure it doesn't pop up. There we go. This is a other house that I got. It's like, what is it?
It's nice here.
7 bed, 10 bath. It's like 8.8. But yeah, fun stuff.
I'm gonna try it last size of the 131.
Yes,
I'm gonna leave right
say.
there and then push it back down to 032. Last size.
I just hear order filled.
Mine turns on automatically sometimes. I turn it off. It's a constant battle. But I'm in lost. He is lost.
I'll tell you what, if I were to be interested in longs, I'd actually want to see if we can pull back into here. Let's see what happens somewhere in there. Potential longs take it back up into 600. Let's see.
Four was my first buy in. 3-4. 3-2 would be ideal.
QQQ actually has a pretty decent setup too, so I'm watching that to the upside potentially. I just hate how cheap these premiums are. Typically, that means they're not pricing in much volatility. Obviously, I could be completely wrong, but that's just based off experience. There's like a fine middle ground. I've talked about it before too, where there's like too cheap of premiums and too expensive premiums. I like it when it's smack dead in the middle, because that's when we get nice volatility and nice setups. So I would say just be a little careful. I will watch it if we dip into the zone though. $598.7, $598.8. Still watching this QQQ 5-minute setup too. Got that 5-minute squeeze going. Hanging around the 21 and VWAP. Plus, don't we have a CPI tomorrow? I'm gonna look at the economic calendar. We're gonna multitask. Yeah, CPI is tomorrow. Could be choppy. Could be a little choppy. One dip a little lower. See if we get a reaction.
Not selling any Tesla, Nvidia, we're big. We've been out the past like 2 or 3 years. No way, not even still that big more than you promised me. You added some Tesla too, didn't you? When it went down? Yeah, Tesla and Nvidia. Doesn't go for this year. Me too. Not selling anything. So seeing obviously those moves are extreme, but I still have all my meta too, Kobe, yo. So seeing when you make big money like that on long term moves, it makes you want to just take any money you make day trading. Only do that. Just longer term swing trade like the grid stack up without the grind every day. Okay, twisted, I love the grind, but something about making money when you sleep.
Not seeing a reaction so far, so no entry.
We're starting to lose his previous day close, pre-market high. Good stock, man.
Okay.
5 minutes below 6029. It's my stop loss. Let's say 5 minute close below 6029. It's your stop loss, everyone. Basically, retest entry I'm looking for here. My average is 6033. What it says, but it's my average.
I mean, it's confirming, like, this is ideally what I would like to look for, but I am not going to take it. I'm going to sit on the sidelines, look for a better setup. It's okay if it goes, but I'd rather see something better. But if you take it, your stop is right below there, your price target's up there. Again, I'm not in this. I want to make that very, very clear. Not in this. Stop would be there, price target there. About like a 2.75 R trade. I see something potentially better on QQQ, so I'm going to keep an eye on that.
Remember when ICT told us Bitcoin was going to zero? So it was for nerds. I'm not TNXTs is funny. Some people look at this man like he's a god. Bros, not so right on big points.
Why are you talking about GD's father like that? Hell no.
ICT, aka LCT. Still those longs? Yeah. Go ahead about 3-4 plus ago down there on the end. Nothing crazy. Not moving much right now. My average is 6033.3.
Yeah, QQQ is nuking.
Take a flash of green for a second.
I just personally think the SPY IV and the premiums are like not ideal for trading today. I think they're gonna suck the premium out of it unless we get a big move.
Brother, keep sliding on DMs. Okay, this time. Plus setup go back pretty fast, so be cautious.
Just patiently waiting. Like to see if we get a pullback on QQQ, potentially get a long. Like 513.7 to 513.6 is what I'd be interested in.
Yo, yo. What's up, bro? What's going on, brother? You got anything? I like this retest that Bruce is looking at, but we're kind of struggling. So, but it looks still solid. So we break below that pre-market high, but nothing really. I see high probability. Let's go. Look for QQQ to break out of this, and then look for a retest. That would be really what I look for. Break out of this pre-market high. This Tesla and Bitcoin's had me on one. Oh yeah, bro. I've been screaming at T-Bull for years. Buying Tesla and dips, hold. Bitcoin and dips, hold. Not only that, man. Tesla, AMD at AMD at $55. You killed that in your too. Yeah. We bought a lot of stuff. People underestimate that you can make so much more money by not even paying attention. Look at that song going. He is moving.
They look ready to go test that high a day. They just need the strength. So far, pretty boring morning. Appreciate you guys keeping me company, though. Yeah, let's see if we can get something.
Just punch us up 10 points.
Really looks like they won it.
What's up? What's he gonna do here? It's getting wild. We got so many bank speakers tomorrow. I don't even think I'll trade them all. Do we have quite a few? A ton. Let's see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Give me something.
What have y'all thought about having a schedule so far? You guys like the weekly schedule edition? Get everything organized, get your reminders in. Got Jerry Tendler again tomorrow. There ain't nowhere else in the industry doing that. You gotta get everyone prepared. Be confident, win 2025.
So we're losing that level.
0 to 9, I'll be out. It's about 4 points.
QQQ. Let's watch it right here.
What's going on?
QQQ is losing a level. We're losing 6,000 as of now. See if we can reclaim both of those and potentially be interested in longs.
0, 2, 3, or 6. Market just decided to say nope. That's even. That's good, speaker, man. That's a perfect retest entry. Yeah, I'm honestly gotten to the point, like, the tempo MC I'll trade after Powell, but for independent speakers, you just never know. Yeah.
Boring. Hey, if you guys could though, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Add a little bit of excitement to my life today because the market is not doing that. All right, so close below all the levels. So next area is way down here, 59680 and then 59630.
Yeah, I got punched up for 10 points, 10-point loss at home for push down there. So 10 points is my max. It's this trade.
Let's see.
Well, that 5-minute close below that, that's 6029.
Sup, Navi? Are we going to get something today? That's the question. Tell you what, the market's like this for another 30 minutes. Your boy's going to be making some calls. Try to sell a house.
Yeah, there's a touch of a stop. 10 points, maxed up. Topped out at the 024, 5 points. Matter he wants me to hit at 5-minute close.
Ooh, at me in the chat.
Winner or loser. Trading fantasy. No offense. I don't have any hourly levels that like, you know,
59630 is what we need.
$21, 130.
All right, let's see about this one. A little bit of buyers down here at 6020.
I'm for sure we're bouncing here.
Might actually end up getting a 5-minute one. Let's see. Depends on this close. Yeah, like I said, I think it might be a slow day just given the premiums and the IV plus CPI being tomorrow. Obviously, I'll still keep an open mind, but let's see what happens. Like 598.50. Let's see if we can pop up into that. $598.50. The 599 puts pulled up, so in the money.
Gosh.
Let's see. Do we reject?
We're at the pilot, 5-minute candle back and forth. Greg's on fire in the elite four. You still in your long screws or did just make your stop? I got it out and hit that 5-minute close below my level. And validated. No, we're just gonna go and go the opposite way. That was a violent 5-minute candle though. Wasn't your typical push.
Still no entry. Might end up missing it. Think we are. See if we get another pop up. So a little hesitant on that one because QQQ has started to look pretty bullish, but now they're selling it off.
That's 6,000 retest on SPX. And I guess we're going to have that next speaker going.
Yeah. That's unfortunate. We didn't even get a candle that really said to short that level either. We kind of just pushed into it and rejected. Now the 5 minutes way down here. That risk reward's too wide. But like I said, let's see if we pop back up. This QQQ depends on how it closes on the 5 minutes. Kind of looking bullish to me. want to continue to watch this QQQ structure. Say if we get another 5-minute candle close above the 821 in VWAP, and then a retest. That's what I would like to see, ideally.
My balance we held this 21,180. I'm tempted to hold this previous imbalance, the 10 o'clock candle. Hold this to look for a long century to target high day. Get now, try a high day, again, baby. Again, baby.
This would have been your take profit. Oh well. It's all good. We'll look for a different setup. You've been right today with what was gonna happen. Just not enough conviction to put a trade in. Then I kind of hesitated with this one, but also at the same time, it didn't really give like a confirmation until here. So then your risk was way wider than the reward. Obviously, if we crack low a day and then flush from there, you'd get more. But yeah, weird day. All right, so QQQ and NQ are losing those levels now. There's a good chance that we go test that low a day. Potentially. We do have buyers down here. Another scenario I would be interested in, because we did have a lot of volume right here. So obviously there was a lot of buyers. Maybe they're early buyers trying to catch the bounce or whatever. Maybe if we can come down, sweep those lows, take them out, and then reclaim, and then we could look for that move back up. So let's see if we get that. If you guys haven't, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. How many people we got up in here? Let's see. 174 people, 92 likes. So again, if you guys want me to continue doing live day trading, just take 2 seconds, hit that like button, and subscribe. You only want to draw fibs when you have that clear cut pivot high and pivot low. As soon as we take them out, they're invalid. Boring. That video is just ripping today. Back up above VWAP, ADMA 21 on QQQ. Let's see if we can actually build a base and possibly get something to the upside. Because we are squeezing. Got some orange dots going on. If you know, you know.
Front section is not it.
Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes on QQQ. If we can close bullish, come back and retest it and make it support, I'd be interested in calls. Not allowed. No. Better be here. I'm gonna call you until you come. Y'all are weird. I do have QQQ calls pulled up for a potential upside trade. I'll tell you guys if I take it. A lot of buyers right here. All right, I gave these a go. QQQ calls. Lighter size because it's pretty choppy today. Let's try a little bit. It's already moving a decent bit. Super cheap premiums today too, so keep that in mind. But We're already up about $10 a contract. There we go. I'm gonna take a trim right here. I know. Definitely not ideal price action, but take a little trim right there. Let's see if we can crack this 514.10 with strength. It's a little something. I'll probably just keep my stops around break even now. Take what the market gives me a day. And that's it. I'm out. If we were gonna push.
I'm not gonna trade anymore. Probably wait till probably be back Thursday. Trade some more.
Y'all make some gas money.
Thank you, host Brandon.
All right. If we were gonna push, it was off of that level. So the fact that we're failing, I don't like. Just basic 5-minute structure on QQQ. Plus, we do have a lot of buyers on ES down at the 60.20 to 60.18. But given the price action today, like I said, I'm just gonna be that's why I was being more conservative. Plus, we do have CPI tomorrow. They could potentially still try to push it. See what happens on this next pullback on QQQ. I might try again. I kind of want to try it again. I kind of just want to keep my profit. Yeah, they're going to try to push it. Definitely going to try to push it. It's just hard on days like today. Contracts still haven't gotten a new high though. I like the structure. If it was a normal day, I'd probably be back in. But I think I'm just gonna keep the little bit of money I made. Yeah, you get all my my pre-market levels, and then you have access to a bunch of videos of mine. Just blew your account. What'd you do? Why you blowing an account? This was a drawing that we did over here. Just said there's a good chance that we take out these early buyers, sweep them, and then make that move back up. I mean, so far it's playing out. Thank you for the subscribe. I still have puts for Friday. I swung them over the weekend. Make sure you're doing your supply and demand on Thinkorswim, and then make sure your contracts are rolled. I need to get my Xbox hooked up in here so I can be playing Call of Duty while we wait. Y'all are gonna see me smacking 12-year-olds on Call of Duty, making sure they don't have a good day. I mean, it could. I just trade key levels. Yeah, it's probably why. Because TradingView doesn't have the same data. So that's why if you guys have the paid members, whenever I plot these levels for us, you're not going to see the same supplier demand zone on TradingView because I'm taking everything from Thinkorswim. I don't know what it is. I've always naturally been good at Call of Duty. Like, actually very good. Not just good, very good. I used to play Counter-Strike. I think I was like Gold 4 or something like that. Gold Nova 4. Yes, the data through Thinkorswim is more accurate, yes. Tell you what, this lady who's supposed to buy the house for me yesterday, I'm about to FaceTime an old lady shirtless and get this sale done. So, let's see if Granny wants to buy real quick. Give me 5 minutes. Let's see if she picks up. We about to get this deal done, baby. That's how we do it. Where'd everybody go? Everybody clicked off because I had to go make a call. Jeez, your boy's trying to bag a quick little 5K. All right, so we are in all those buyers. If we take this out, then we're dropping. Again, I wish I could show you guys these houses, but I gotta keep them like, can't really show them too much. But yeah, it's just this house in Texas. It's a very small house, 3 bed, 1 bath. Take a screenshot and show it to you guys. A little blurry. But yeah, just a small house in Texas, but it's a fix and flip. So I'll wholesale it to a someone who wants to fix it up and then flip it. Average price in Colorado is high. Very high. Yeah, we have a lot of buyers. I think it's going to be hard to break this. I mean, I will get into buying and holding in the future, but I think for now I'm just going to wholesale, build more capital. Because, I mean, it's very, wholesaling's quite easy. Quite easy. But I'm going to call this other buyer and put the pressure on him now. I'll be back again. All right, they didn't pick up. Boring, boring market. We call a nice little baby scalp today. Give it like 5 more minutes, then I'm gonna call it a day. I don't got my Xbox in here. It's in the bedroom. You can add me though. See what my name is on there. We can go ruin 12-year-olds' days later. Where's my picture? There it is. All right, I'm gonna type it in the chat. Boom. Give me that ad. I think I'm like level 36 or 37. I've been playing zombies a lot. Zombies kind of lit. Perfect. We got both the buyers that want it. Perfect. Let's make this bread real quick. Prestige 8. What are you doing, dude? I have to take you out or something. Show you what grass is. Psych. I just want my spy put swing to print. All right. Well, as fun as it is, I'm not even a prestige yet. I'm just level 36. As fun as this is to watch this very choppy price action, I'm gonna call it here. Your boy's going to get a haircut in a little bit, and I'm gonna close on this house. So let's do some live day trading again tomorrow. Make sure you guys are here, subscribe to the channel, bell notifications on, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's run it up. Everybody have an amazing day, and we'll talk tomorrow. Peace.